In today's video, we have a massive Amazon haul. I went through some of the best products on Amazon and I bought them. We've got jewelry, hygiene products, skincare products, accessories, just a bunch of random stuff that I thought looked really good and had really good reviews. So let's unbox. I will of course have all of the products that I unboxed in this video linked in the description bar if you want to check them out. Let's get into it. First, I want to start with jewelry. As you guys know, I am obsessed with Amazon jewelry. Pretty much all the jewelry I'm wearing today is from Amazon. So it's been a little bit of time since I have purchased Amazon jewelry. So today is the day. First, we have a Van Cleef inspired bracelet. The only thing I wish is that I wish the white was on both sides. One side is gold and one is white. It doesn't bother me too much, but I do wish that both sides were white. That looks very cute. Very cute addition to my current bracelet stack. Love that. This next one I think is a hand chain. Cute. This is what the hand chain looks like. I think this is just super fun and something very different. I don't have a hand chain like this. Such a struggle to put this hand chain on with my long nails. Anyway, this is how the hand chain looks. I am so obsessed with it. I really, really like this hand chain. It also fits really well because it's shorter, as you can see, than this one. So it kind of doesn't dangle around. It just stays on your hand. I really like this. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm interested to see if it tarnishes or not. I'll keep you posted on that, but gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. There's something about a hand chain, specifically in the summertime, that just like elevates your look, and jewelry in the summertime just hits different. One more jewelry piece. I forgot what I ordered. Is it a ring? Oh, it's so cute. So this is kind of giving Van Cleef, but it's like a teeny tiny little flower. It is super cute and really dainty. I love how teeny and dainty that looks. I think I already said that, but I just love it. There's something about a teeny small bracelet that's dainty that just completes your stack. Truly it does. Something I love to do with my jewelry is take a pair of kitchen scissors. This is kind of crazy, and I will cut off the excess chain. Of course, if it was real gold or if it was like a real Van Cleef or like anything like that, I would not be doing this, but since it's costume jewelry, I love to do this. I just don't like the chains hanging down, so I take my kitchen scissors and I just give it a little, I don't know, call me crazy. The next thing I got off Amazon is this gold lighter holder, lighter case. I really want this for my office. I have a candle in my office and I love to light it, and my office is like very aesthetically pleasing. So I wanted to get a gold lighter case cover for my lighter. I've seen these all over TikTok and all over Instagram, and they look so aesthetically pleasing. I feel like I don't actually know how it works, so let's try it out. This thing has got some weight to it. Like, it's heavy. So cute. Put it in there like that. It just kind of clips in. Okay, it bothers me a little bit that you can see the pink. Maybe I'll have to get like a gray colored lighter or something. It's so cute. That's just gonna look so good on my desk. As you can tell, I'm obsessed with gold. This would make a really good gift as well, just because of like how heavy it is, and it's very personalized too. Love this. Next, we have some skincare products. These skincare products are real deal. I've been wanting to try out these skincare products for quite some time, so I was lucky enough to partner with them on this video. Let's talk about these products because these are insane. First of all, this presentation, look at this. Insane. First, let's talk about these products right here. So this is the Rescue Renewal Duo. So the two products that we have right here are the Renewal Rescue Elixir Oil, and then we have the Renewal Moisturizing Night Cream. This oil retails for $310, and then the night cream retails for $195. Now, the reason these products are priced on the higher side is because Revive is built on Nobel Prize winning epidermal growth factor research, and these current formulas are an upgraded, enhanced version of that Nobel Prize winning ingredient. So this is some real deal anti-aging skincare. The best way to use these products is to go in with the cream first. I'll take off all my makeup for the day, cleanse my face, go in with the cream, let that sit on my skin for a little bit, and then I will go in with the Rescue Elixir Oil. So what the cream does is it supports overnight skin renewal for smoother looking skin by the morning. It also is going to help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also contains glycolic acid, which I absolutely love, to improve uneven skin tone and dullness. Then I'm going to layer this oil on top of that. The Renewal Rescue Elixir Oil visibly reduces the appearance of 6 types of wrinkles in just 8 hours. Insane. Helps refine the look of pores and improves skin firmness. What I really like about this too is that these ingredients are safe for sensitive skin. I have really acne prone sensitive skin. Then we have the Revive Neck Renewal Cream. This also has SPF 15. I feel like we're so focused on our face when it comes to skincare that sometimes we forget about our neck. At least I know I do. I will do my face and my chest, and sometimes I just skip my neck. I don't know what it is. So this is a cream designed specifically for your neck. It helps smooth the appearance appearance of necklines and uneven texture. It improves the look of firmness while keeping the skin nice and hydrated all day long. It also contains SPF, which is really nice, and you don't have to worry about applying extra sunscreen, and you can wear this all day long. I'm really excited to continue using these products and see how my results continue in the next few weeks. Next, I picked up some eye patches. I love this brand. This is from the brand Hero. I have their brightening eye patches that I really like. So I saw this one for tired, puffy eyes. I always wake up in the morning so puffy. It says that it smooths the look of under eyes and provides a quick pick-me-up. So I saw this and I was like, yes, add to cart. Let me know if you've used these eye patches or if you've used this brand before. I'm very interested to hear your guys' thoughts. This was rated very high on Amazon too. So really good reviews. The next thing I got, I am so excited about. So I just moved into my new apartment and this is my beauty room. As you can tell, behind these doors I have lots of makeup, but I also have accessories. I have a ton of sunglasses, so I wanted a way to organize them instead of just throwing them in those drawers. Also, let me know if you want a beauty room tour. I will definitely do one. I'm gonna show you what I got to organize my sunglasses. I hope this works because this is just so cute. This is gorgeous. So this is a sunglass case, sunglass holder. So you have this top part right here, which opens up like this. I hope that my sunglasses fit in here. It looks a little bit small, but this is gorgeous. And then you also have this little drawer that pulls out and you can fit even more sunglasses. This is what I have my sunglasses sitting in currently. Really super cute, but this case is even cuter. Let's see if these big pair of sunglasses fit in here. I'm a little nervous. Oh my gosh, they fit. Oh my gosh, there's room to spare. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, BRB while I organize all my sunglasses in this thing. I'm obsessed with this. The next thing I got is this yellow top. I did cheat and unbox this. I had to because I was so excited. This shirt I've had for a little bit. It's the same thing. I just decided to get it in this butter yellow color because I think butter yellow is just such a good color for summer and it's super on trend. Look at this shirt. I'm gonna show you the black one that I'm wearing right now. Look how gorgeous this shirt is. So it looks like silk. It kind of reminds me of Reformation. Look at the lace detailing on the bottom and then the way the shirt falls. I hope you guys can see how good this shirt is and I hope it's showing how good it is on camera. It is so stunning. And then the back is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous, super flattering for the summertime. I'm obsessed with this. This with jeans, this with like silk pants. So I of course had to get it in yellow. They also have it in a bunch of different other colors, which I might need to pick up as well. I mean, this shirt is gorgeous. It's truly giving Reformation. It's on Amazon for what, 30? That is everything from this Amazon haul, and thank you to Revive for partnering with me on a portion of this video. Let me know what you guys think of all the products I unboxed. I will have everything linked down below in the description bar. I don't know about you, but I am obsessed with my sunglasses case. Like that just upgraded my wardrobe so much. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.